Hey everybody, Glenn Hausman here of No Vacancy News, and I'm with Mr. Derek Gagne of EDSA, and we're coming at you from the, where are we? NYU Hospitality Investment Conference here in New York City. And I'm excited to be here today. So first I want to know, for those out there who don't know, what is EDSA, Derek?
Yeah, EDSA is a landscape architecture planning firm. Next year we celebrate our 60-year anniversary. We've been around a long time. And 60% of our work is hospitality business. So we come to this conference, we see what's going on with the trends and what we can bring back to our daily work and our clients.
Great. So what are the trends, Derek, that you're seeing here that kind of mirror the trends that you're seeing out there in the greater universe and the projects you're working on, or perhaps bringing new elements to the conversation?
Yeah, well, I think over the last few years, the trends of health and wellness are still kind of vibrant, still kind of infiltrating all the properties we're working on, bringing that gym and spa experience outside and really kind of taking use of the site. I think the other big one is kind of this whole idea of experiential travel, and discovery, and creating something that will keep people on property, take value in what owners have on site, and really make sure that they're getting the best out of that and understanding the local culture while they're there on a vacation.
And most of the time I hear, oh, you got to have great curb appeal, right? But what is that, to take that now to the next level, what does that mean to you when you're working on a project such as redoing the Venetian or working on that brand new expansion at the Hard Rock in Florida, for example?
I think that the big thing is, one, listening to our client and trying to figure out not only who their clientele is today, but who they want it to be, because the industry's changing so much that we need to respond. And on some of these projects, like the Venetian we have opening in the next few weeks, that project's been in design for 3 years, and trends change over those 3 years. So we're always adapting and responding to what's happening in the industry.
That's interesting. So last question, how do you stay ahead of the trends then to know that 3 years from now it's going to be topical instead of people going, is it?
Well, I think having our foot in the door on international travel and international hospitality helps, because trends kind of move around the world the same way that people do. And I think that knowing what market's coming next is the best way to adapt. But also I feel like for us, it's reaching out to other industries. It's not just going to landscape architecture conferences. It's going to interior design events and other things that are kind of setting trends. Public art, experiential design, and stuff like that is being discussed on a lot of platforms, not just hospitality.
What's the biggest trend when it comes to like design and landscape architecture in the outside area?
Well, the biggest trend, I would say, is sadly enough, this term everyone refers to as kind of the Instagram moment, right? It's like everyone wants that picture of someone on the property, and it's like, how do we keep changing that for every property? I mean, Hard Rock's got the guitar. We try to move away from that and do something new with them on our project in Hollywood, Florida, with them launching in the fall. It's taking it to a whole other level. We have a whole Bora Bora cabana experience. You can swim out of your cabana. You can enjoy shows.
There's going to be, or there's swim up rooms.
Yeah, swim up rooms. It's whole next level.
All right, whole next level. I can't wait to see what happens. So what trends are you seeing out there when it comes to landscape architecture and exterior design that's going to wow and excite your guests? Let us know in the comment section right there below. So for Derek and myself, Glenn, thanks for watching.
Thank you.